Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Be sure to click on that all button on that notification bell so that you get a notification for every video, and not just some of them, because if you don't click that all, you don't get all of them. So anyway, today I have another Misfits unboxing. This is my first one for December. I got the box yesterday and I didn't have time to do a video yesterday, so I'm opening it today late, so hopefully everything is still okay. I ordered some extra stuff. As always, I put it on the screen. I think I ordered like 3 or 4 different things extra. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box for December, the first box for December, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open up this box. Like I said, this is a bigger box. It's actually the same width, but it's taller. So, oh, it's still cold, so that's good. Especially since it's a day late for me to open it. I got some oyster mushrooms. These are ordered. And I ordered these oranges as well. I ordered 2 sets of these tangerines, is what they're supposed to be. They look more like oranges. Well, that one looked like a tangerine. So I ordered 2 sets of those. I think you get 4 in the set. Well, I don't know, because I got more than 8. So 9 so far. I ordered some collard greens. So they sent me those. Those look very good, and they're larger compared to normal. They're usually small. So I'll probably cook these today and mix them with these. I mix my greens together, and I got another collard green. So I got 2, which must be a replacement for something else. I got 2 heads of garlic there. 2 stalks of broccoli here. They're little small ones, but they're good. They look very decent. I don't know what this is. What are you? I don't know. It looks like the tops of Brussels sprouts, but this ain't Brussels sprouts, so I don't know what that is. It looks like Brussels sprouts, but ain't no Brussels sprouts on it. It looks like they just sent me the Brussels sprout leaves, which they're probably edible, but I've never eaten them. But that sure looks like that's what that is. Comment below and let me know if y'all know what this is, because I sure don't. But that's exactly what it looks like. And my broccoli just fell off into the floor. It didn't harm it though. See, it looks decent. But that's exactly what that looks like. Now, if that's what it is or not, I don't know. But I didn't order that. I ordered Brussels sprouts probably. I know I didn't order that, because I don't even know what that is. Maybe a replacement for something. I don't know. But here's my other tangerine. So maybe you get 5. And then I got, these are regular oranges, so I might have ordered these. I'm going to make some of these fresh orange juice, so I used that. Then I got some more bok choy. It was folded in itself, so that don't look too bad. Just got 1. I ordered this because when I went for Thanksgiving to try to find some organic cranberries, I couldn't find any, and I didn't want to buy them if they wasn't organic. And these are so I can have cranberries for the holidays. And I actually freeze them too, whatever I don't use, and I put them in smoothies. So I like them that way, because cranberries are very good for you, for your track. That one's beat up a little bit, probably in the box. But again, these are still small. I don't know why I keep ordering them. They're so small, but I do. I ordered another spaghetti squash, and this one is bigger than the one I got 2 weeks ago. Good size. Better for one. These are super small, but I mean, it's enough for one person. So then got another little small acorn squash. I should do the video I did. I made acorn, stuffed them with wild rice and put some vegan sausage in them and onions and mushrooms and pepper. It was so good. So if you guys want to see that video, comment below and let me know, and I'll make a video of it with what I have here. So, and I ordered some onions. I paid for some onions because I was out, and I'm not going out as much as I was to the store, so I figured I'd just order them here. So they sent me 4. I don't know how many I ordered, but I do know that I ordered some. I mean, I paid extra for some. I ordered some and I paid extra for some, but I think I ordered red and paid extra. I mean, paid extra for red, and I think I ordered yellow, but they sent me 4 red, and then I just got this one yellow. So I think that's it. I didn't order any other mushrooms because I did have went to Costco and got one of the big ones, so I don't need that. For the thing, for the recipe card, they said it's number 76. It's radicchio, fennel, and orange salad. I don't think that's nothing I want, but somebody may like that, so I will put it up here just in case somebody wants it. And I'll take a picture of it so that in case somebody wants it, they can make it. Okay, let's do the back. The instructions are very, very short. Okay, that's it for that. They're having another big old holiday sale like they did for Thanksgiving. And just showing the different things. Oh, I did see these that they're selling, those collapsible cups and bowls and stuff now on their site. And I guess they have them on sale. So different things that's out there. So again, I'll leave my code across the bottom. I get 25% off my next box, and you get 25% off your first box if you're trying. And now they are expanded. They're in the Midwest now, so they're going west with it, because it used to be just the East Coast. And then every time I go on, I look at the map, and they've expanded and gotten larger and have them in more states. So if your state wasn't one of them, and you've been watching me, check back and see, because they could have gotten to your state by now. And just go out there and put in your information for interest, just in case it's not, so they'll know that someone there wants Misfits in your area. So anyway, that is it for everything that I got today. Again, I got, you know, some stuff I don't, well, just this one thing. I swear this, I know that's what it is, because that's what it looks like. Brussels sprouts, the tops. I'm gonna try it and see what it tastes like. I probably just mix it in with my collard greens, because I'm about to wash these now and cook them for today, because I have not cooked dinner yet and I'm hungry. And yeah, so okay, here is my recap of everything I got. I got 2 collard greens, 1 dino kale, 1 Brussels sprout tops, I believe, some broccoli, 1 of the bok choy. I got 4 red tomatoes, a spaghetti squash, an acorn squash, some oyster mushrooms, 2 small zucchini. I got 10 of these tangerines and 3 navel oranges and 4 of these red onions, which I think I bought the onions. I know I bought 2 of the tangerines. I think I bought the red onions, and I know I bought these mushrooms and this. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my 4 things that I bought, because I got the cranberries too. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be sure to get back with you. And again, my code will be here so that you guys can check it out if you have not tried Misfits and you've been thinking about it. I'm not sponsored by them, but I actually love that service. and I highly recommend it. The only time I get stuff that's a little out of the way is when we at the beginning of COVID, when food was scarce, so that was so understandable. But since then, every now and again I get something that's a little, you know, off. But outside of that, I recommend, highly recommend. So yeah, and they're getting more and more stuff every single week. They have different stuff, so I really like that service, and I highly recommend it. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday if you're watching this prior to. And yeah, thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.